How to inspect your roof after a storm. Inside, check ceilings for dripping water or spreading wet spots that indicate a roof leaks. If your attic is accessible, go there during daylight hours and see if you can see sunlight streaming in through holes or cracks in the roof. Use a flashlight to check the decking for visible dark stains, streaks, sagging or swelling. This means that water is likely seeping through. Outside. Walk around your house, inspect the roof for damaged or missing shingles. If you see shingles missing on the roof or find them lying on the ground, replace them ASAP. Look for signs of wind damage. Are any shingles cracked or flipped over? If so, they must be replaced ASAP. If you see dark spots on your shingles, the granules have been scraped off by windborne debris and you're seeing the underlying asphalt. Left exposed to the sun, this asphalt layer can deteriorate and fail, causing leaks. Pay attention to chimneys, skylights, and other roof structures for signs that metal flashing has been detached or deformed. These areas will allow water infiltration, and their protective flashing must be reattached or replaced quickly. If you see branches on the roof or lying on the ground, know that their impact, especially combined with the velocity of high winds, can cause shingles to crack, develop holes, lose granules, or suffer other damage that you may not otherwise see. Hailstones can cause similar unseen but severe damage to shingles and compromise your roof's integrity.